Hello everyone, we are right smack in the middle of fall and it is cozy time. Today with my Fashom unboxing, I asked my stylist to surprise me. She knows that I like a cool summer palette with colors, which makes fall a little tricky because you know how there's all those fall colors like mustard and rust and all that stuff. Well, my stylist Morgan, she's got it figured out. She's found a way to give me cool colors that are cozy. So we are kind of going with, I have a feeling we're doing like a fall winterish unboxing today. So if you're not familiar with Fashom, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it as we kind of cruise through today's little video. You like how I did that? Cruise through the video. But essentially they are an on-demand styling service and you can get $25 off your first box by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So are you ready to see what's inside? Ooh, this is gonna be so good. The nice thing about Fashom too is they let you choose some of your items. So they'll select about 8 different things and put them up on the website and then you get to pick what you want to have shipped to you. So I'm seeing everything for the first time today. Of course, I saw it on the website, but it's never really the same in person as it is on the website. So it's always a total surprise to me to feel the textures and all that. So here's a look at the box. It has this pretty little packaging here, a little sticker that says thank you. And of course I have the invoice and the note from my stylist that I'll read later. Okay, ooh, this is heavy. It feels so soft and cozy. So, what do you think's inside? Here's a little peek at the color palette that Morgan put together for me. Ooh, I'm loving it. Pinks and blues. This particular pink Les Amis tie-dye top is from my last month's box, and I just absolutely love it. So I'm hoping that I have some more goodies in here that are kind of like this. Okay, let's see what we have. I'm gonna get rid of the tissue so that it's not making noise the whole time, because that's no fun, right? Okay, the first item on top is another tie-dye odd item, and of course I'll try everything on at the end, so stay to the end for the try-on. This looks like it could be an off-the-shoulder item, but I'm not sure. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this top, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, this is called the Chris and Carol Live tie-dye top, and this one is $41, or if I get a few different items and I get the discount, it's less. You get 25% off, I believe, if you keep 3 or more items, and 30% off if you keep all 5 items. So I'll read you those prices as we go too. So this one's $41 if it's the only thing you keep. It's $28.70 if you keep all 5, and it's $30.75 if you keep 3 or more items. So this is gorgeous. I can't wait to try it on. I honestly think it is an off-the-shoulder top. Kind of looks like it, but we'll see when I put it on. Gorgeous colors. I love that baby blue and gray. Okay, what is next? All right, let's see here. I think this might be the Dreamers two-toned knit sweater, and I wish you guys could feel the softness on this. It is so pretty. It's very similar to the color of the one that I have right now, and my initial thought on this item from Dreamers is that it will dress up beautifully for work. This is very Zoom friendly. I can wear a nice fancy pearl or gold or silver chain necklace with it and it'll be gorgeous. And it is oh so soft. Love it. Okay, this next one, I know what this must be. This must be the Mono Bee Isla fuzzy pullover with pockets. And oh my, this is definitely in the leisure wear category. Again, really similar to the color I have on right now, which works out great. This is definitely going to be something I wear with leggings or on a cold morning walk, or even with pajama bottoms. This won't be necessarily work friendly, but oh my, that is cozy. Good job, Morgan. I love that. Super cute. What is next? Okay. This must be the woven top. This is the Natural Life waffle V-neck woven top, and this one is $38 before the discount. This is so pretty, you guys. I love this. I can't wait to tuck this into jeans with some little boots. That is adorable, and it's got a nice shape to it as well. So very cute, very work or casual friendly. Ooh, I love it. All right, the next one is another ultra super cozy item. This must be the Rika color block sweater, and I am loving this blue. Oh my, this is fluffy and pretty, you guys. What do you think about this? And as you can see, the color blocking kind of comes in on the bottom of the sleeves and on the bottom of the sweater. Very, very cute. So she went with some full California winter wear. I'm really excited about it. I want to run through the prices really quickly one more time because I noticed I didn't do that throughout. The Gilly is $56 before discount. $39.20 with 30% off and $42 with the 25 off. The waffle woven top is $38 before the discount, $26.60 with 30 off, and $28.50 with the 25% off. And the Mono Bee Isla Fluffy Pullover with Pockets, this one would be $56 before the discount, $39 with 30% off, and $42 with 25 off. And I believe the only other item I didn't cover the price on was the two-tone knit sweater, which is $46 before the discount, and $32.20 with 30% off, and $34.50 with 25% off. So now you know the prices on everything. This is a really cute and fun color palette and a lot of different textures. We've got some thinner knits and we have some more thick, sweatery kind of winter wear. So now I'm gonna go put everything on and we're going to check it out in the backyard. I wanna give you just a little bit more information before we go. About Fashom. As I mentioned, you can get a box with them anytime. You don't have to sign up for a monthly subscription or anything like that. I'm going to do my very best to get a box every month to show all of you guys because I love their products and I love their price points. In fact, if I keep everything in this box, it'll be $165 approximately, which is a lot better value than some other boxes that I have tried, and that is what I love the most. One thing that your stylist will tell you when they write you their little note every month is that they want you to be super honest with your feedback so that they can do a better job the next time. So it's really important that if you're trying Fashom out, that you're super honest with your stylist. And if you can, they offer this service where they schedule a little video chat with a stylist, which is wonderful. So let's go try all of this good stuff on. Thank you so very much for watching. And would you do us a favor and tell us what your favorite item is after you see me try it on in the comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, get in gear and get cruising. Let's try on.